welcome back. You're watching Brushes and Stroke, and Ganesha Chaturthi is around the corner. And this is Ash. Say hello to them.
Hello.
Yeah, so he's so excited to paint along with me today. So this was just a practice session done before the shoot. Even though, so let's paint this Ganeshas. I'm using the one stroke technique here again. So what are you going to do, Ash?
I'm doing Ganesha.
Okay. So what is that? The colors you're going to use?
I'm going to use green,
Okay.
yellow, and red.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is this color called? What are these? Poster colors. Yeah. So he's going to use poster colors and he's using A4 size sheet, and I'm going to use a black chart paper. So let's get started.
समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
Yes, I'm also almost done. So let's make the high. we have done with this, and this is how it looks. And I wish you all a very, very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Harsh, he's also done.
Happy Ganesha Chaturthi.
Thank you so much for watching us. Take care.